You shop here every month. You buy food, data, clothing. You spend your hard-earned money here. You're a great customer, but wouldn't you rather be an owner? What if I told you that you could actually own a piece of these companies for less than 100 Rand? That's literally the price of a burger. So, let's say you're at a braai. You've got a choice. You just take the boerenbors or just the lamb chop. What if you choose wrong? Instead, you take the mixed grill platter. You get a bit of everything. That's exactly what the JSE Top 40 is. The JSE Top 40 is the 40 biggest companies listed on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. We're talking about the giants of South Africa's economy: banks, mines, retailers, telecom companies. We're talking Naspers, Standard Bank, Anglo American, and Shoprite on your braai plate. These companies are chosen based on their size. So, how much they're worth on the stock market. And here's the powerful part. If a company starts underperforming, it gets removed and replaced by a stronger one. So you're always investing in the top performers of the country. Now here's the best part. You don't need to buy 40 different stocks. You can buy something called an ETF, an exchange traded fund. Think of it like a shopping basket filled with all 40 companies. In South Africa, popular ones are Satrix Top 40 and the 10X Top 40. With one purchase, you own a piece of all 40 companies. And yes, you can start with small amounts, even under 100 Rand on platforms like easyequities. This is the secret of what people call the lazy investor. But it's not really lazy, it's smart. You don't need to guess which company will win. You don't need to read financial reports every night. You're simply saying, I believe South Africa's biggest companies will grow over time, and if they win, I win. If you're just starting your investing journey, this is one of the simplest and most powerful ways to begin. Start small, stay consistent, let time do the work.